Every now and then I get a little bit tired. Every now and then I reach you.
Downy Rinse and Refresh is formulated to remove odor better than detergent alone, with no rewashing.
One wash, it smells so clean. Downy Rinse and Refresh, it's a dream.
Downy Rinse and Refresh fights odor in just one wash, guaranteed. I take it back. Elizabeth, oh, come on, wait, hold on, please. You can't. Of course, you're a real artist. I was trying to make the point that you just don't have a lot of experience with the idiots that are in charge of the professional. Right. No, I can see that might be a little patronizing, and so. Come on, you can't be serious. I love your work. You know that. Your work is amazing. I wasn't trying to offend you.
Good. It's okay. It's okay because you misspoke. Oh, yeah, you're right. I am naive. I have no idea how the art world works like you do. I've never had to compete for recognition or mount a show.
Okay, look, I don't really want to leave right now, but I can't be late for Ava, and this is the last night that she's gonna sit. We're gonna be finished, and there's got to be something on canvas to unveil at the unveiling. I'm really sorry. We okay?
You better get going. You don't want to keep that gravy train waiting.
Well, maybe Alexis deserves a clean slate.
Clean slate? What the hell is that supposed to mean, a clean slate?
I've done Alexis more harm than good. Maybe it's best to avoid any future contact.
What, so you're gonna walk? After everything Alexis has gone through?
There isn't anything to walk away from.
Cut the crap. Is this what you do? You walk away from people who care about you? Who've risked everything to be with you? Who put their hopes and dreams in your hands and then you what, just toss it away so you can disappear from their life?
And that's that selfish arrogance in the name of doing what's right for Alexis? Please. This isn't about helping Alexis.
This is about you. Running away to protect your own damn self.
So why would Sam and Christina have a problem with you?
You sold to Christina. Not on purpose. She was offended. Sam was offended on her behalf.
It insulted her how?
Picked up a to-go order from Charlie's pub. Christina was working. Sam was with her. I never met either one of them before. When I get my name, Sam recognized it. She asked if I was Sonny's cousin. I said, yeah. She introduced herself, started to make conversation, and I had heard that Sam had helped take down that cult guy, Shiloh. And I said something about how brave she was.
I mean, that doesn't seem too offensive.
Yeah. Then I said people who join cults are idiots. Something like that. Some stupid remark. It was ignorant and judgmental, and right away I could see that Christina didn't like it. And she went to go pick up my order, and then that's when